Yoo-hoo! I'll make you famous.
Time to play the game. Time to play the game. It's all about the game and how you play it. All about control, and if you can take it, all about your debt. And if you can pay it, it's all about pay. And who's gonna make it? I am the game, you don't wanna play me. I am control, no way you can shake me. I am heavy debt, no way you can pay me. I am the pain, and I know you can't take me. Look over your shoulder, ready to run.
Oh my God, look at my car! Look what you did to my car, mate!
And I make the rules, so move on out, you can die like a fool. Try to figure out what my move's gonna be. Come on over, sucker, why don't you ask me? Don't you forget there's a price you can pay, 'cause I am the game and I want to play.
I am the Night Rider. I'm a fuel-injected suicide machine.
You retired too?
Not me. I'm in my prime.
And the earth was last night's bed. I don't know where I'm going, only God knows where I've been. I'm a devil on the run, a six-gun lover, a candle in the wind. Yeah!
I am rock and roll.
My calculations are correct. When this baby hits 88 miles per hour, you're gonna see some serious shit.
Each night I go to bed, I pray the Lord my soul to keep. No, I ain't looking for forgiveness, but before I'm 6 foot deep. Lord, I gotta ask a favor, and I hope you'll understand, 'cause I've lived life to the fullest.